Okay, so we started a little bit of early demo. And the only reason we've actually started in this room is because, sorry, I don't know how to turn this around. We had a slight leak in the bathtub upstairs, and that was the result down in there. So Brandy wanted to see what's under the paneling. Okay, cool. And I don't know how to turn this around, so I'm just gonna have to. So we pulled the paneling away and started pulling it away from the fireplace and started coming up with that. And clearly you can see the front of the fireplace was clearly added later, but she's pulling the plaster away to reveal the original bricks. Yeah. There's some of the paneling we pulled off the wall in that section there. Got some of the, was it citrus?
Yeah, citrus strip. Looks like it's kind of dried on there from the fan though, so it might not be working on that one. I did the other man.
But the opposite side of this fireplace, or this, shares another fireplace you can see with a different type of brick again. Which I'm pretty sure you'll probably find the original brick behind that as well. She already has stripped most of the paint off of that using the same product. You can see I found some stuff in the fireplace. I started a fire in there this morning and we kind of got smoked out a bit today. Didn't realize that this particular fireplace was capped off at the roof. So after turning all the HVAC system on and the fans and opening windows, I raced up onto the roof and pulled the cap off the chimney. And so yeah, our 105-year-old farmhouse, our first reveal of what's actually under plaster and paneling. We had some decorative paneling. See if I can find a piece of it.
Well, you can see it right there.
Yeah, you can see it there, but that's what the paneling used to look like. You can see where the thermostat was before I replaced it with this newer Ecobee model. So that's what was under. That's what's under this painted paneling right here. You can see it's been painted when the house was flipped. So I'm not really sure what we're going to do with this original brickwork yet. I'm going to go ahead and assume that it's the original 105-year-old brickwork from these two fireplaces which share a single chimney. All right. That's all for now.
Let me see.
Bye.